I'll relax when? I'll feel good when? I'll enjoy my life when? Ever notice how your tension creates a life that's always postponed? A life that's always stealing your aliveness? You end up adjusting to a version of yourself that feels slightly off, and then you wake up one day and you wonder where your glow went. You end up blaming time for something that's actually happening much closer to home, the tension that never gets released. I've learned the hard way that your body never forgets what your mind has learned to tolerate. You can love your life but still feel strangely disconnected from your body, from your diet, from your partner. Nothing looks wrong, and that's part of the problem. What we're unpacking today isn't stretching, workouts, or even fixing your posture. It's understanding why your body is still holding on and what happens when it finally doesn't have to. The revelation that changed everything for me was realizing my body wasn't holding on to tension because something was wrong with me, but the tension was building simply because it was trying to protect me. This is significant because you might be thinking, protect me? Protect me from what? Think about all the times you rushed through eating, held your breath to keep your composure, stayed pleasant when you wanted to give a piece of your mind. Perhaps you thought you were being disciplined, but your body saw it more as an adaptation. And over time, that adaptation becomes stored in your jaw, in your hips, in your neck, in your lower back. This is why so many women over 40 complain about feeling puffy, feeling stuck in their life, and when they look in the mirror saying, I don't even know who I'm looking at anymore. So when tension stays trapped, your face may look asymmetrical. Stubborn weight release, your beauty rituals stop working. All the little hacks you used over the years to give yourself a quick refresh seemingly stop working overnight. But when tension becomes that stored up, your body is simply unable to receive. In nature, nothing braces longer than necessary. After threat, the body shakes, releases, and moves on. We're designed the same way, but we learn to hold instead of discharge. What was meant to move through us becomes what weighs us down. Next time you feel stressed at work, have a fight with your partner, maybe receive some bad news, I want you to scan your body 30 to 90 minutes after the event. Why? Because stress doesn't settle the moment it happens, but rather when you pretend you're fine after it's over. If you've ever been pregnant, perhaps you've noticed significant hair loss 3 to 6 months after you've given birth, and it's the same concept. It's a delayed response to the stressful event. Or if you've had a really high fever during a sickness, maybe 3 to 4 months later, you notice a massive shedding. Your body doesn't hold stress, it holds unfinished moments, and it's my job to identify, untangle, and rebuild your body from the ground up. Beauty after 40 becomes easier, not harder, when the right layer is addressed. And here's a topic that's typically skimmed over. Even when tension releases, your glow won't stay if your cells aren't receiving proper nourishment. It's controlled or not personalized for your needs. In the next video, we're breaking down why what you eat isn't the only issue. It's how your body is allowed to receive it. I'll see you in the next video of this 5-part series, Glow from the Inside Out. Thanks for joining me.